Welcome back to Homes and Families.
Today, two families are gonna meet.
Nicole and Joel just moved to a new neighborhood. The Jones are their neighbors now.
At first, they will have a good relationship.
Honey, there's someone at the door.
Yes, I'll answer it.
Hello, welcome to the neighborhood. I'm Meg. And this is my husband Martin.
Hi, I'm Joel. Would you like to come in?
Yes, we'd love to.
Honey. These are Martin and Meg, our neighbors.
Nice to meet you, guys.
Nice to meet you too. Honey, we forgot our welcome basket at the doorway.
Okay, I'll go get it.
Honey, can you get more chairs in the other room?
Yes, I'd be glad to.
Here's our welcome gift. It's a fruit basket.
That's great. Thank you very much. Could you take it to the kitchen?
Yes, sure, I'd be glad to.
5 minutes later.
I'm sorry we don't have better chairs. We moved yesterday so we didn't have time to unpack everything yet.
It's okay, don't worry. We don't mind it.
We don't mind it.
Nós não nos importamos.
A few minutes later.
I'm sorry, it's my allergy. Could I have some water, please?
Yes, sure. Let's go to the kitchen. I know how you feel. I sometimes have allergy crisis too.
Thanks for the water, I really needed that.
I need to take this table to that room. Would you help me to carry it?
Yes, sure, let's do it.
Notice.
Honey, can you get more chairs in the other room?
When Nicole made a request to her husband, she said, "Can you?"
Could you take it to the kitchen?
And when she made a request for her neighbor, she said, "Could you?" So when you talk with a family member, "Can you?" is enough. But when you talk to other people, you often need to be more polite. Using, for example, "Could you?" Let's see other two examples from the previous scenes.
I'm sorry, it's my allergy. Could I have some water, please?
I need to take this table to that room. Would you help me to carry it?
Excuse me, could I have some coffee?
Sure, Meg. I'll get it. And you, Martin? Would you like some coffee, juice, or beer?
Beer. Let's have a cold one.
Would you mind helping me to get the beverages?
Remember that I always use gerund after the verb mind. Example. Would you mind helping me to get the beverages?
Você se importaria de me ajudar a pegar as bebidas?
Would you mind helping me to get the beverages?
Not at all, I don't mind it.
A few minutes later.
We'd like to make some renovations in this house. But we're still looking for someone to do it. Would you recommend anyone?
Yes, we still have the contacts of the people that renovated ours. By the way, would you mind showing me your house?
Not at all. Actually, I'd be glad to.
Time flies by when you're in the dark. Do you really wanna fall apart? I feel like I'm falling in reverse.
Hello, Joel. How is it going?
Hey Martin, I'm pretty good, and you?
Pretty good too.
Would you like to come in?
I'd like to, but I can't. I am helping Meg with lunch. We're out of eggs. Could I get some?
Yes, sure, Martin. My hen lays too many eggs a day. You can request as many eggs as you want.
Thanks, Joel. Just 3 eggs are enough.
So far, everything is good between these neighbors. But things will start to change.
On the next episode, you will see problems with neighbors.
And ways to apologize.